In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a ClickUp list ID with ease. If you're someone who regularly works with ClickUp, maybe for personal project management, or in a team setting, knowing how to pull this information can be incredibly useful. Whether you're setting up integrations or simply want to keep better track of your lists, finding your list ID is a straightforward process. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to pinpoint this identifier with precision and clarity. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the specific list within your ClickUp workspace for which you need the ID. Go ahead and open up ClickUp and make your way to that particular list. Once you have the list open, it's time to turn your attention to the browser's address bar. This is where you'll be able to find the key information. After you locate the address bar at the top of your screen, what you're looking for is the section of the URL that follows @il or li+. This string of characters is what we refer to as the list ID. It's a combination of numbers and letters, unique to the list you're viewing. Once you've successfully identified the list ID in the address bar, you'll likely want to copy it down for your records, or perhaps to use it in a ClickUp integration. To do this, simply highlight the characters and copy them to your clipboard. It's as simple as that, and you'll have your list ID ready to be pasted wherever you need it. But there's also another way to achieve the same result, just in case you prefer an alternative approach. This method involves using the sidebar within ClickUp. Navigate to the sidebar where your lists are located and right-click on the list you're interested in. From the menu that pops up, choose the Copy Link option. This will copy the entire URL to your clipboard. From here, you can paste the copied URL into a notepad, document, or any text field. Once the URL is visible to you, look for the ASL ASUI or RLI segment, and there you'll find the list ID closely following it. Extract this section, and there you have it, the same list ID that you pinpointed earlier in the browser's address bar. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to find and use your ClickUp list ID without any hassle. This capability is useful for adding layers of functionality to your workspace or making behind-the-scenes integrations work seamlessly. Keep this process in mind for any time you need to identify or use a list ID in your ClickUp projects. Thank you for tuning in, and happy ClickUpping!